Hey guys, just a quick update. Some stuff that I forgot to mention in the episode 18 Look What I Found video. So I've got to mention the draw for this particular paperback of the Renix Australian Coin and Banknote Values Guide. So the giveaway, I'm going to be drawing this Tuesday night at some stage. The cutoff will be at 6 p.m. So leave your comment as requested in the particular video on that video. You have to leave the comment on that particular video. Don't leave it on this video, or your comment won't be able to be added into the random draw. So yes, that's finishing 6 p.m. So this video probably comes out, I think, Sunday night. So yeah, Sunday night. So 2 more days, and we'll be doing the draw for that. That video might come out that night. If not, it'll come out Wednesday night. So the other couple of things I wanted to mention. So during that week, I also found this coin, which is the one that I just had in the rotated coin. So the year 2004 rotated 20-cent coin. That was another one that I forgot to put in that video. And the other thing I wanted to mention was I don't put them in the video, but I've still been keeping all of my 2018 5-cent coins that have been coming through. So this is how many I've kept so far. We don't know what the mintage is going to be, but hopefully it will be low. But I'm still keeping each and every one of them. So they're just a couple of things I forgot to mention. Wanted to mention them, and so this is a bit of an add-on video. So whether you've watched this first or last, it really doesn't matter. But just an add-on video. All right, guys. Look forward to bringing more videos to you soon. Thanks for watching.